In this lecture, we will learn about timeout for steps and jobs in a workflow in GitHub Actions. So a step can take a maximum duration of 360 minutes to run. If it exceeds this duration, the job will be cancelled and the workflow will be terminated. And we can configure this option using the timeout keyword. So for example, here we can set a timeout for this step. So we use the timeout-minutes keyword, and let's set it, for example, to 1 minute. And here, instead of the echo command, we will execute the sleep command. So here we want to sleep for 10,000 seconds to see what happens when the step takes a duration more than what we specify here using the timeout-minutes keyword. We can set the timeout at the job level. By default, it is 360 minutes. But let's set it now at the step level. So let's commit the changes and see the execution of the workflow. So the workflow will not be triggered because we're still using the workflow dispatch event. Let's change it to the push event. So let's commit now the changes. So after committing the changes, the workflow is now triggered. So let's see the execution of the Docker job. So here now it is running the sleep command to sleep for 10,000 seconds. So we expect here the job to fail after 60 seconds. Which is 1 minute, because here we set the timeout minutes to 1. So now it takes more than 1 minute. It will fail just in a few seconds. So here we see this error, the action build the image has timeout after 1 minute. So the job was cancelled and the workflow was terminated because of the timeout error. So that's how we can set a timeout for a step or a job in a workflow in GitHub Actions. When we set it at the job level, it will be applicable for all the steps of this job. So that's all for now. Thank you very much and see you next time.